Welcome to Asim Code. Building a conversational agent with context awareness. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build a conversational AI agent that retains context. Why is this important? Traditional chatbots often lack memory, making conversations feel unnatural. A context-aware chatbot can remember past interactions and provide more coherent responses. What we will cover: 1. Setting up the environment and language model. 2. Implementing a system to store conversation history. 3. Designing a structured prompt for the chatbot. 4. Connecting the chatbot with memory to enable context retention. 5. Running examples to demonstrate its capabilities. Python code, environment setup. Explanation of environment setup. Imports required libraries, modules like LangChain _OpenAI, .env, and OS are necessary for chatbot functionality. Loads API key, retrieves the OpenAI API key securely using environment variables. Initializes language model, uses OpenAI to create a GPT-4o mini instance for chatbot responses. Python code, chat history store. Explanation of chat history store. Purpose: this function manages chat history for different users, ensuring context retention. Dictionary store, a global dictionary storing chat history for multiple sessions. Function get_chat_history, session_ID, checks if a session ID exists in the store. If it doesn't, initializes a chat message history instance. Returns the conversation history, allowing the chatbot to maintain context. Python code prompt template. Explanation of prompt template. Purpose: this defines how the chatbot interacts with the user. System message specifies the assistant's role as a helpful AI. History placeholder ensures past conversation messages are included in the chatbot's response. User input: the latest query from the user is passed as input. Python code, conversation execution. Explanation of conversation execution. Combining components, the prompt is passed to the language model, LLM. Runnable chain, the chatbot processes user input dynamically. Message history management, runnable with message history ensures previous messages are retrieved and stored efficiently. Python code, example usage. Explanation of example usage. Session handling. The chatbot identifies conversations by session_ID. First interaction, AI responds based on input. Second interaction, AI recalls the user's previous message. Prints the AI's response for each interaction, demonstrating context retention. Python code, conversation history output. Explanation of conversation history output. Prints all messages. The for loop iterates through stored messages. Types of messages. Human represents user input. AI represents the AI's response. Demonstrates how context is retained. The AI recalls past interactions, making responses more relevant. Conclusion. This tutorial covered setting up the AI model and environment, creating a structured conversation flow, maintaining chat history for context awareness, executing conversations, and recalling messages. With this design, the agent can handle contextual conversations effectively. Future improvements: implementing more advanced memory handling, integrating external knowledge bases for better responses, enhancing error handling and chatbot debugging.